Welcome to another episode of the Multifamily Collective. Today, let's talk about how success is measured. In my head, it's not measured by accolades. It's not measured by the size of your company or whether you own an airplane or you own an island or whatever it might be that you define success by in terms of tangible items. Rather, it is summation and representation and presentation of your character and how you show up in the world. Success is really a measure of that. It's more about character than accolades. And I think that some of the characteristics that I believe, these aren't the only characteristics in the world and certainly aren't all the characteristics that would wrap up and define success, but I think they are ones that are fairly representative across the board. One is integrity and honesty, just being full of integrity and full of honesty. And when you put misinformation out into the world, whether it be by accident or intention, own it and correct it and apologize for it, and use it as a lesson to move yourself forward. So there are times where you do it. We're all guilty of it. The second thing is cultivate kindness in your life toward others, toward yourself, first and foremost, because if you're not kind to yourself, you're just innately not going to be kind to other people if you can't be kind to yourself. So it's very important that you cultivate kindness on a daily basis. And you can do that through writing about it. You can do that through the actual physical rep of being kind to people out in the world. Be kind to your pets, be kind to your children, be kind to your wife, be kind to your husband, and be kind to the person doing the cash register at the grocery store. There are probably tens, if not hundreds of opportunities to be kind on a daily basis. The other is you have to develop resilience. So when adversity strikes you in your life, and it will, your ability to get back up and take the lessons from the adversity, employ those in your life in the way of building your character and continuing to move forward. Maybe you're upset for 5 minutes, maybe you're upset for 5 days, but the point is you've picked yourself up, you've endured the grief, and you're moving yourself on. You've developed resilience. So the big punchline for this episode today is focus on developing your character. And if the byproduct of your character brings along big profits for your company, nice cars for you to drive and your family to drive, or whatever it is, whatever that thing is that you can purchase with the money you earn, or whatever, however you define that, it's different for everybody. That's why I'm struggling to sort of present it to you. It's just different for everybody. But the bigger punchline is focus on your character, and those things will come along by default. They just will. When you have great character and you put that out into the world, and you're a beneficial presence to your family, to your friends, to your community, to those places where you volunteer your time and your money, or your efforts rather, the byproduct of that is that success comes back to you in all forms and fashions, in all types of payment mechanisms. So that's it. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.